Number 22. In a school auditorium, there are 33 seats in each row of seats. How many rows are needed for 528 students to each have a seat? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 23. Nathan built the hanging mobile shown in the picture to show some relationships among shapes. Parallelogram, square, rectangle. Which shape goes in the empty box in order to complete Nathan's mobile? A. Trapezoid, B. Quadrilateral, C. Rhombus, D. Triangle. Number 24. Which table represents the equation y equals 3x? Number 25. Which list shows the numbers not in order from least to greatest? Number 26. Mr. Gonzalez is putting in a fence around the perimeter of a playground. The perimeter of the playground is 144 feet. Each section of the fence is 4 feet long and costs $12. Which equation can Mr. Gonzalez use to find B, the cost of the sections of fence he needs for the playground? Number 27. Gabriel bought a dog crate shaped like a rectangular prism with the dimensions shown in the model. What is the area in square inches of the shaded floor of the dog crate? Number 28. The graph shows the number of students at 5 schools who ride the bus to school. Riding the bus to school. Number of students. Woodlands, Hillcrest, Lakeview, Elm Grove, Forest Lane. Based on the graph, how many students ride the bus to the Woodlands, Hillcrest, and Lakeview schools? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 29. Miss Olson has 1/8 acre of land divided into 6 equal parts. What is the size of each part? Number 30. The table shows the heights of 10 seedlings. Heights of seedlings. Seedling, height, inches. Which dot plot represents these data? Number 31. The list shows the length of a day on 2 different planets. Neptune, 16 and 1100 hours. Venus, 5,832 and 40 hours. Which statement is best supported by this information? A. A day on Venus is about 40 times as long as a day on Neptune. B. A day on Venus is about 400 times as long as a day on Neptune. C. A day on Venus is about 50 times as long as a day on Neptune. D. A day on Venus is about 500 times as long as a day on Neptune. Number 32. An expression is shown. What value is equivalent to the expression? Number 33. Miss Sykes paid a total of $95.40 for a 12-month magazine subscription. She paid the same amount each month. What amount did Miss Sykes pay each month? Number 34. 3 points are plotted on the coordinate grid. Which table represents the data plotted on the graph? Number 35. Mr. Roosevelt has 48 nails that each weigh 1 3500 ounces. What is the weight of these nails in ounces? Number 36. The shaded cube has a volume of 1 cubic unit. Cubes like this one will be used to completely fill a rectangular prism that has the dimensions shown. How many of these shaded cubes will be needed to completely fill the rectangular prism?